In this video, I'm going to share the best high ticket programs to promote right now. Now you can see a screenshot on the screen. That is my Stripe account where I generate some of the income from these high ticket programs I'm about to reveal. And you can see that in one day, I was able to generate $2,100. And as you'll see, this was incredibly simple and incredibly easy. Now, what you're going to discover is my top high ticket affiliate programs to promote right now to generate the easiest big commissions today. Now, one of these affiliate programs even pays out instantly. You're also going to see exactly how these programs work, what products you're selling, and why promoting these is my #1 choice after 5 years online. You're also going to see how to sign up step by step so you can start earning fast. And be sure to stay to the very end of the video because you're going to discover also a newbie-friendly system that gives you capture pages, a high converting sales video, and follow-up emails that will get people buying products from you in these specific affiliate programs even while you're sleeping. Okay, so stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. So at any time in this video, when you make that decision to sign up with one of these affiliate programs or all of them, there's going to be links directly below this video where you can actually get started with them today. But without further ado, the very first high ticket affiliate program I highly recommend you join is Easy One Up. Okay, now if you haven't seen some of the massive buzz about this incredibly powerful affiliate marketing program, then you want to stick with me because Easy One Up is a training platform, okay? And Easy One Up, the company, has different levels of training that you can actually promote as an affiliate. Now, what you want to do is when you join Easy One Up, you just want to promote your one link, okay? So you don't want to try to promote these packages individually. You want to just promote one link, and then if you have a good system in place, which I'll share just in a little bit in this video, you'll be able to literally make Easy One Up high ticket sales even while you're sleeping. Okay, so elevation is $25 for the person to actually join. Okay, so you'd be promoting this Easy One Up company. Okay, and when they choose one of the levels, one of the packages, the beautiful thing about Easy One Up is you're earning 100% commissions. Okay, so for example, let's say someone joins you at the highest level, the Vertex Live $2,000 level. You wouldn't have to give away any of that money. In fact, you would keep $2,000. And the other incredible benefit of Easy One Up is when you get paid, okay, there's no middleman. You literally get that money instantly. Okay, so if you have someone saying they want to join you, or they go to the order form, they decide to buy, they pull out their credit card, they make that purchase, okay, you would actually get that money instantly, 100% of the money, okay? And again, what you're selling is basically step-by-step video training, teaching people how to build a successful online business. So if you're watching this video, you are your own target market, okay? You know your pains, you know your struggles, so it's incredibly easy to sell to yourself, right? So if you go out there and you market these affiliate programs, just market to people like yourself, okay? And again, you're going to be able to get paid an incredible amount. Like I said, the highest level is $2,000. I mean, just imagine making one or two of those every single week. Your life is going to change, okay? And as you stick with me, I'm going to share a system that literally can sell these products for you, okay? But that's the first thing. Now, how do you sign up? Well, if you want to just sign up directly with Easy One Up, and for whatever reason you don't want to use the done for you system, you would just go to the link below this video, click join now, and you should see my page, okay, right here, my picture, and you're just going to fill out your information, create a username and password. This is how you're going to be able to log in and check, how many commissions you've easily made that day. And then you're basically just going to start now. Okay, they have a CAPTCHA code, so you need to put in whatever grade, usually 3-digit number, okay, is in there. So for me, it's 749. You'll have your own number. And then you just start now. And then once you're inside, you can actually start to get your links to promote this program. And again, I love it for many, many reasons, but mainly, okay, the fact that you're learning as you're earning 100% commission, instantly paid, okay, and it's a very valuable product. Now, the second high ticket affiliate marketing program I highly recommend you think about joining is traffic authority. Okay, traffic authority. Now, traffic authority has been around many, many years. What the main product with traffic authority is traffic. Okay, if you haven't guessed from the name. So what is traffic if you don't know? Basically, traffic is getting high quality clicks from people that are potentially interested in buying your affiliate program or your products that you're promoting. Okay, so the beautiful thing about traffic authority is you are a product of your own company that you're promoting. Okay, so it's always best to invest into whatever product or company you're actually promoting so you can actually go through the products yourself. But with traffic authority, as an affiliate marketer, you need traffic. Okay, you need visitors. So they have this traffic store. Okay, and the beautiful thing is when you come in here and you purchase, okay, let's say you have, quite a bit of money, you want to do the platinum package, right? You want to send this traffic, high quality clicks to an affiliate offer. The beautiful thing about traffic authority though is they pay you, okay, around 50% commissions whenever someone signs up for a traffic package under you. Okay, so again, if you promote traffic authority to an online marketer, again, someone like yourself, right? So the easiest way is just to sell to yourself. People ask me all the time, Garrett, how did you drop out of college and make such a significant income online? How did you, with no skills, okay, no prior knowledge, figure this out and start to create the results you want? And the key, okay, is to get traffic, right? And to promote things that are helping your own target market. And what is our target market? It's ourselves. Okay. So again, what I did, I just sold to myself, right? I found people like me and I just recommended things that I was actually using. So again, with traffic authority, you want to purchase this traffic anyway. Okay. And when you get other people to just use the same traffic you're already using, you can earn up to 50% commissions. Okay. So I want to share with you, if you didn't see in the very beginning, my results. Okay, so you can see right here, if I actually go to resellers, okay, just promoting this affiliate program to date, okay, in literally just a few months, okay, I was able to generate right here $11,094. Okay, so this definitely pays out. You can see these are the retail price. Okay, so when you promote the basic traffic package and someone purchases, okay, it's $220 for that traffic, you earn an $80 commission, okay, which is absolutely incredible. And I really love traffic authority. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to share with you the incredible system that will literally sell Easy One Up, traffic authority, and a few other affiliate programs for you so you can earn these high ticket commissions. Now, the program is called, or the system rather, is called Multiple Income Funnel. If you haven't seen any of my other popular videos breaking down why this is the best system out today, then you can maybe do that after this video. But again, there's going to be a link directly below. You can click that, watch a free overview of this exact system. And the beautiful thing is if you set up your system and you plug in at step 2, you're going to notice Easy One Up right here, okay, and traffic authority are one of the, or 2 of the 4 income streams in this system. So the beautiful thing is if I go to links after I hook up my Easy One Up, my traffic authority there, if I go to links and I get my lead capture page here, okay, all I have to do is send people to this page. They put their name and email in, and now they get followed up on autopilot. I don't have to send a single email. And when someone goes through that process and they decide to buy at the Easy One Up, the traffic authority, the other 2 income streams, you earn these big paying commissions, okay, even while you're sleeping, because these emails go out on your behalf. So that's really it, my friend. And again, if you don't know how to get traffic, use traffic authority. Okay, there's going to be a link directly below. It's going to take you to a page where you can choose a package of traffic. Okay, when you actually choose a package of traffic, that's going to allow you to join the affiliate program. It's a private affiliate program. So, as soon as you purchase traffic, which you want to do anyway, you'll become a member where you can actually promote traffic authority. So I hope you got a tremendous amount of value. Now you know why you must promote these high ticket affiliate programs right now. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them below. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Click that button down below, hit the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, go down below, get started. If you want to just start off with one of them, but I highly recommend you use the system so you can set up all your income streams and start to make a ton of money as little time as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.